Hello, SISD teachers. This is Mr. Mendoza, your instructional software specialist, with another Google Classroom tip. Let's go ahead and learn how to schedule assignments. So let's go ahead and go to the Create option under the Classwork tab. And here you will find assignments, quiz assignments, questions, materials, and topics. Let's go ahead and select assignments. And here is the title of my assignment. I will name this Animal Cell Label Project. I will give instructions here. Please label all parts of the animal cell. There you go. And I will go ahead and attach my assignment from my Google Drive. And here under recent is my assignment. I also want to make sure that if this is going to go to all of my students, that I make sure that I make a copy for each student. So this will create an individual copy with their own name up at the upper right-hand corner when the student receives this. Now, very important, what we want to do is also create a topic. So since I don't have an animal cell label project or an animal cell topic, I can go ahead and create one here. And I will type in animal cell, and maybe I'll do animal cell unit. I will give a due date and maybe say this will be due next Friday. But keep in mind that what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and assign this or schedule it for a later time. So instead of assigning this today, even though it is due on the 10th, if I go here to this drop down arrow right next to the word assign, I will go ahead and click schedule. So this is going to be scheduled to go out on, let's say, Tuesday at 8 a.m. And then that is when the student will go ahead and see it in their Google Classroom. Now we'll schedule. And that's it. We have just scheduled an assignment to be sent out to one of our students at a later time. And if you noticed, it created a topic for me here on the left side, since we did create a topic. And notice that because these assignments don't have topics, those will always be at the very top. But down here, you can see your topics and you can even move your topics around. Keep in mind that what you see on your Google Classroom, that is exactly what the student will see on their end as well. I hope this tip helps you out. Y'all take care and have a wonderful day.